Our theme is Egypt. Everybody knows about Egypt and the mummies and the beetles that are so commonly seen in Indiana Jones movies, inculcating the motifs that are seen in the Egyptian architecture, Egyptian mythology. A lot of my students have been inspired from gods and goddesses.
My principal jewelry piece is going to be on the back. It's going to be a chain dangling vertically from the neckline. Chain will be 3 beetles handcrafted from polymer clay. It will be in descending sizes.
The source of inspiration comes from the Egyptian mummies and the materials used to wrap them, that is the linen thread and the sand particles in particular. The vision of my design is to keep simple and minimalistic